Hello my amazing viewers, you all are welcome back again to this amazing channel. So join me today, let's make quick and delicious breakfast together. So in today's video I'm going to be making plantain frittata, and if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like and share this video. And to make this simple breakfast, you need two ripe plantain. So make sure you wash your plantain before you start cutting them. Go ahead and use your kitchen knife to peel your plantain. After you're done peeling your plantain, slice the plantain into small pieces. After you're done slicing your plantain, transfer it to a clean plate, then add a pinch of salt and set the plantain aside. Then place your pan on the heat, add some vegetable oil and allow it to heat up. After that, go ahead and add your sliced plantain into your frying pan. Once you are done adding your plantain into your frying pan, let it fry until it's turned golden brown. Once your plantain start turning golden brown, use a spatula, a kitchen fork or a chopping stick to flip the other side and let it fry until it's turned golden brown. And once you are done frying your plantain, use a strainer to take them off the heat. So the next step is to go ahead and prepare your egg mixture, and for today's recipe I will be using 4 whole raw egg. Go ahead and crack the egg shell, then pour the egg white and the egg yolk into your mixing plate. Whisk the egg, and after you are done, add your carrots or any other vegetables which you prefer to use. I'll be using green pepper, onion, chopped tomatoes, chopped red chili, a pinch of salt and also some mixed herbs and spices. You can use any spices or any vegetables of your choice. After you are done adding, mix everything together. Next, place your non-stick pan on the heat. Make sure you are using a non-stick pan if you want your plantain pizza or frittata to come out clean. Then spray some vegetable oil, add your egg mixture, then use a spatula to spread the vegetable around your pan. After you are done, then go ahead and start adding your fried plantain. After you are done adding your fried plantain, cover the pan and let it cook on a low heat for about 3 minutes. And 3 minutes later, check on your plantain frittata. As you can see, mine is already done, but if yours is not done after 3 minutes, you can cover and let it cook for another 1 minute. So once you are done making, transfer to your chopping board, then slice and enjoy your plantain frittata. If you enjoy watching this video or you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a try at home. Also subscribe to this channel if today is your first time of coming across this my amazing channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. See you all on my next video. Bye.